Hello there. Today we will study probability. Definition. Probability is the measure of how likely something will occur. It is the ratio of desired outcomes to total outcomes. Probability of all outcomes sums to 1. In probability theory, random experiment means a repetitive process that yields a result or an observation. A random event is an event that either happens or fails to happen as a result of an experiment. When tossing a coin, the event may happen or may fail to happen. So this is random event. On the other hand, if we consider the event, we observe that this is a certain event due to gravity, which is the tossing of a coin. Impossible event. If the number of favorable outcomes for an event is zero, then the probability of occurrence of that event will be zero, and such type of events is known as impossible events. Sure or certain event. If the number of favorable outcomes for an event is equal to the total number of possible outcomes, then the probability of occurrence of that event will be 1, and such type of event is known as sure or certain event. For example, if I roll a number cube, there are 6 total possibilities. Each possibility only has one outcome, so each has a probability of 1 by 6. For instance, the probability I roll a 2 is 1 by 6 since there is only a single 2 on the number cube. Contrary events. The contrary of an event A is an event B, satisfying the property that if any repetition of the experiment, if any event A occurs, then B does not occur, and if B occurs, then A does not occur. The event A and B are also called mutually exclusive events. Compatible and incompatible events. The event A and B are compatible if they can occur simultaneously. The event A and C are incompatible if they cannot occur simultaneously. Event implied by another event. We say that event A implies the event B, or event B is implied by the event A. If the occurrence of the event A means that the event B will occur. For example, you can read this slide. Operations with events. The union A union B of two events A and B is the event which take place when at least one of the events A or B will occur. The intersection A intersection B of two events A and B is the event which occurs when both events A and B take place at the same time. Equally possible events sample space. Consider two events A and B associated to an experiment. If there is no reason to suppose that the occurrence of one of the two events is favored with respect to the other, then we say that the two events are equally possible. Negation of an event. If PA is probability of event occurring, then P of A bar is probability of non-occurrence of that event. Two or more events. If there are two or more events, you need to consider if it is happening at the same time or one after the other. If the two events are happening at the same time, you need to multiply the two probabilities together. Usually, the question use the word "and" when describing the outcomes. If the two events are happening one after the other, you need to add two probabilities. Thank you.